Hi, in front of me I have Realme 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to add the photo to a contact on this device. First we need to open the Contacts app. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and here tap on the Contacts icon. Now let's tap on the contact we want to add the photo to, for example this one. Then tap on Edit Contact and here tap on this blue camera icon, or rather white camera icon with the plus sign on it. Now we can select to take a photo with the camera or choose photo from gallery. Let's tap on choose photo. Select the app you want to use, for example photos. Here select folder, for example download, and now tap on the picture you want to use. Again you can select one of the apps. Let's select crop photo. And here we can crop the image. Basically we can move this frame, we can make it bigger, smaller, like this. And once you're done, tap done in the top right corner. And then tap save to save your contact. And as you can see, the picture was added to our contact. And that's how you add the picture to a contact on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.